About to go put our Covert Edition Ram 1500 2020 with the new Toyo Open Country AT3 tires leveled out to the test. Let's go check it out. Okay, we're up to speed now, going 54 miles an hour. Road noise is very minimal. The ride quality is phenomenal. I think it rides better than a factory tire, honestly. I love the confident feel that the level kit gives us, as well as the overall better stability and just strong feeling of this tire. First impression is very smooth, very quiet, as expected, and like the all-terrain Generation 2 was. Off-road is where I think it's going to shine even more. If the previous review videos we put out, I've told you about the wider and deeper shoulder lugs, alternating grooves, just more tire technology has gone into this latest generation tire. They actually listened to consumers to see what their needs were, what they wanted to see, and definitely the more aggressive sidewall tread is a plus also. We're out back behind the dealership. Come back here for our test area, testing ground. Really like to see what the tread does when you get it in some soft mud and dirt compound. Got a ready lift level kit, 2 inches and 295 60/20 inch tires, so a little over a 34 inch tall tire. So this is our latest 2020 Aikens Ram 1500 Bighorn package, 4x4 crew cab Covert Edition. So trying to get more in the game of Ram truck customizations. Get a 2 inch ready lift level kit, and it's sitting nice and level. Gives it a great overall appearance. Looks like it should be this way from the factory in my opinion. And tire choice, we went with the new, you've probably seen a lot of info and pictures from us about this lately, the Toyo Open Country AT3. First thing I noticed is that more aggressive sidewall pattern. Really gives it a better overall look, slightly more aggressive. It's not too deep of a sidewall, but it definitely will give you a little bit more traction and just looks a lot better. 295 60/20 as I told you earlier. Good size tire. Look at that nice tread. It's got an S-shaped design in the center. Please check out our tire review if you have more questions about the Open Country AT3. I'll put a link for that in the description below. This is billet silver, one of my favorite colors. It goes great. It don't show scratches or dirt too bad either. And the Bighorn package has great discounts and incentives always, especially if you're buying from us here at Aikens in Winder, Georgia. We also added Weston Premier 4 inch straight oval tubular step bars in chrome. Really goes well with our Ram chrome logo. A little bit of chrome on the door handle there. Throughout, front and rear bumpers, and of course the wheels, front grille. So this package really works nicely. Ram does a good job on their factory wheels. This is a good looking 20 inch wheel in my opinion. I really like this. On the Ram Bighorn, you get rear wheel well liners, which is stuff we have to add on the F-150 on our Covert. So I really do like that. You got an Aikens spray-in bed liner. They also include on their Bighorn packages tailgate assist. So the tailgate drops down nicely. They got that spring assist. Here's a good look at our lifetime warranty Aikens spray-in bed liner. You know, if you're out in the mud, off-roading, or just doing normal everyday driving, you're going to need some nice WeatherTech floor mats. Here we have them installed on our Covert Ram 1500. Looking great, keeping our floor protected. So on the inside of the 5th gen Ram 1500, I'm impressed with what they've done aesthetically. They've done a good job of putting better materials. There still are some hard plastics throughout, but over here, this is more of a textured, soft compound. I got some carpet accents in this area as well. Some nice Fox wood grain there. Nice brushed aluminum handles. I love the center console apparatus, and then your center cluster, you've got the 8-inch screen embedded in between your tach and your speedometer. Lots of gauge cluster information in there. Their backup camera has got to be the clearest in the business. I love how clear the resolution is. Got a zoom feature for if you're hooking up a trailer. Grid lines that turn as you turn. Nice, good textured feeling buttons there. My rear park sensors are registering the vehicle behind us. We're outside Aikens service, But highly impressed. I like their interior. They're doing a better job. Got WeatherTech floor mats front and rear with wire wheelies, and got a nice little slide and center console area. Nice storage. Wireless charger features available also. Different USB-C and your standard USB connectors there. Center console, you got adequate space throughout. So you've seen the inside, the outside obviously. You've seen it on the road and off-road. Highly impressed with this tire, the Ram truck in general. Great package, currently available here at Akins and Winder. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification if you want to be notified of our upcoming future videos. Keep bringing you guys quality content on a consistent basis while we visit Akins.